Hey all, my name is Faissal and and I'm from Mechanicsburg, PA. I graduated from NuPaths as a network technician. I start my career with Select Medical as help desk with the level 1, and I make my way up to the next level. Within the first year, I make it to the level 2. My day-to-day work involving designing and implementing the new hardware and troubleshooting the network infrastructure to ensure a high availability and security for both line of business, outpatient and inpatient facilities. I'm most proud of my ability to adapt to the new technology feature. It's called SD-WAN and logic monitor, and that's really helped with the network performance for that specific clinic or outpatient facility. And I have taken additional responsibility, including leading a network project, mentoring a junior team member and intern. So the training that I received at NuPaths, it's provided me with the solid foundation in IT and the networking specifically. As I progress in my career, I found that the skills and the knowledge that I gained through the program, it's really served me well. So overall, I'm very grateful to the education that I received at NuPaths, and that would really recommend it to people who's interested in the tech industry. It's really give you a unique opportunity to connect with the recruiters, practice your elevator pitch and the interview skill. I would highly recommend NuPaths to people who's interested on the IT field. I like the flexibility of the program offer, and allowing you to balance between work and study at the same time. Comprehensive training that it's include networking, cybersecurity, and data analyst, and also offering the online classes for people who's not able to attend the classes or to be on the classroom. I will say that NuPaths it's offer the career support service, including resume review, interview preparation, and job placement assistance. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. So it's whether from your professor, your mentor, your colleague, asking for help is the only answer to your question.